Hi viewers, vaishipon here. In this tutorial I will show you how you can make money from online when you are sleeping. Yes, it's true, you can do it with ClickBank affiliate marketing. I am showing you the full procedure. You know very well how many people making money from ClickBank affiliate worldwide. In this procedure you need a WordPress website for ClickBank affiliate marketing, and the website will be fully automated. I am showing you the full procedure. Just I am showing you a demo. If I click here, run campaign, this product automatically added to my store from ClickBank. If I open this product, I am just designing the website. When I will finish the website looks will more attractive. This product comes to my store, just a click, and it will come automatically from here. If I set, suppose if I set 100, and if I set here hourly, days, automatically 100 product will be added to my store. Actually I want to say this procedure is fully automatic, and when a targeted customer comes to my website and click here order now, customer will go to my affiliate link, and if customer purchase the product from here, I will make commission. And this is the procedure, and for this procedure you need a WordPress website. I am showing you the full procedure. First time you have to purchase a domain, and you have to purchase hosting. You have to install WordPress on your hosting. I have already installed WordPress, and you need a plugin, WordPress automatic plugin. This one you can purchase this plugin from Code Canon, only $39. I have already collected the plugin and I have already installed the plugin. You have to install the plugin. Just you have to go to plugins, and from add new plugin you have to install the plugin. After installing the plugin, you will get a menu here, automatic. You have to go to settings, and from here ClickBank settings, you have to give your ClickBank affiliate ID here, and you have to click here save changes. With this plugin you can do many things, not only ClickBank affiliate, Amazon affiliate, AliExpress affiliate, design article. You can do spinner settings here, Flickr, eBay, and many more. Instagram, Vimeo settings, iTunes, Envato settings. There are a lot of function you can do with this plugin. Our today's topic is ClickBank affiliate and ClickBank affiliate auto website. Okay, you have to go here, add new campaign. You have to give here a name. Suppose I am giving here HEALTH, health. I want to promote health related product, and from here you have to select ClickBank, and from here you have to select keywords, comma separated. You can select multiple keywords. I am selecting one, suppose health, and there is a lot of settings. You don't need to worry about these settings. Just you can do some settings from here, and you have to do a settings from here. Suppose I am selecting one, and I am selecting days. Every day one ClickBank product automatically add to my website with my affiliate link with these settings, and we have to do publish. And from here we can run this campaign anytime. Just we have to click here, new product will be added to our store automatically. Let's see, done, new product added to our store. If I open this product, wow. And in this way you can make a fully automated website for your ClickBank affiliate marketing. Just make a website and forget it. You will make money when you are sleeping. Obviously you have to do some SEO settings. You have to go to posts, and from here you have to do some basic SEO settings for your posts. Now I think you clear how you can make money from ClickBank affiliate marketing with your fully automated ClickBank affiliate website. If you need this kinds of website, you can hire me through Upwork, or you can contact with my WhatsApp number. That's it.